So I'm Kalanda Joachim, and this is my presentation for the examination of Java 2021. Now we are going to use NetBeans to explain some of the commands and the words that we are told to describe. So in my program I used some conditional statements, and some of the conditional statements are if and else, which are here. Like here, this is a conditional statement where you write if statement and else statement. So I used variables, and variables include strings. I used arrays, and this is the arrays, they come after the string and int commands. Like here, these are arrays. And now in my presentation I used inheritance. Now inheritance is the relationship between father class and child class. Now like here, the relationship between the login frame and the components. It's the inheritance that we are talking of. The next step is polymorphism, which is the ability of an object to take on many forms. Now like here, the object is the login frame. Now the object, it's taking on many forms. Like you can find also the login form down here. So the object is taking the many forms from there up to here, then you go it and type it anywhere more. So the next step, it's Java encapsulation, which is a mechanism of wrapping the data and code acting on the data together as a single unit. It can also be known as data hiding. Like here, this can be a method of hiding data, because for the use of this program can find the login frame, but the login frame can include some login areas which are included or hidden there inside in the program. For example, as you can see, when you type public, then you int, then you public void, then all that data is inside the other login frame. Now we have constructors, which is a block of code similar to a method that is called when an instance of an object is created. For example, creating the actor class. Now for the constructors, like here, we type private void, then private, then strings. Again we bring back the word public. Now that means that we are going to construct something new. We are going to construct an object or create an object in the program. Now for the methods, it's a block of statement that has a name and can be executed by calling it from some other place in your program. Now here we type the method name. Like when we type private void cmd, then login action performed, it's the method name. So